5 Best Calipers. Here is the product number 5. Measuring Tool Angle Finder Protractor. The Angleizer is the ultimate template tool for creating professional layouts in tiles, brick pavers, lumber and laminate. Versatile layout tool for creating complex shapes and angles. Great for making repeat cuts on arches and joists. Open center channel for marking brick, tile, lumber and laminate. Arms are calibrated in both inches and millimeters. Glass-filled nylon for added strength and flexibility. Here is the product number 4. Durable stainless steel digital caliper. See or metric conversion switch. Zero calibration switch. Automatic on or off. Easy to read LCD display. Durable stainless steel construction. Caliper type, digital calipers. Material, stainless steel. DIY supplies, metalworking. Accuracy, 0.1 mm. Here is the product number 3. Digital electronic fiber vernier caliper. Brand name, Hilda. Material, plastic. Caliper type, digital calipers. Accuracy, 0.2 mm. DIY supplies, woodworking. Measurement range, 0 to 150 mm. Here is the product number 2. Stainless steel digital vernier caliper. See or metric conversion switch. Zero calibration switch. Automatic on or off. Easy to read LCD display. Durable stainless steel construction. Material, stainless steel. Caliper type, digital calipers. DIY supplies, metalworking. Here is the product number 1. LCD digital vernier caliper. Made of strong plastic carbon fiber composites, lightweight and durable. 4-way measurement, inside diameter, outside diameter, depth, step. 0 setting in any position. With large LCD display, easy to read. Caliper type, digital calipers. Material, plastic. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.